Hi folks, I'm back again. This is your old pal Uncle Al. And these are the new people I'm watching. Naomi May and Sarinh Thach. Okay? Now, a lot of people I notice aren't reading books. Okay? You can't trust your life on a cell phone or a laptop or computer. You have to read books. So we're going to start with the basics. Okay? I do recommend anybody who's living for self-sufficiency or understand simplicity or try to go further is read this book by this person on economics. All right, I met him at a conference. I got the book. It's a really good book. You should read it if you want to do self-sufficiency. Okay? And also, Uncle Alan used to live in vans and also cheap motels. This one is by this guy right here. He's a well-known plant expert and survivalist and woodsman, one of the king of the bushcrafters. Okay, you have to understand this. This is called Extreme Simplicity Homesteading in the City. I do recommend that to Sarah. All right, the other book, before we go on, I want to show you a few things. Okay, in the old days, they used to have a magazine. And I don't think it's in print anymore. But, you know, you have to read this book. It's really good. It tells you how to do solar heaters and botanic collectors. Now, I tell people if you don't have a generator now, you should get one. It's a little late in the season. I would have bought it way in the last spring before the panic and everything. Because right now, this is a suburban home in LA. Okay, and you see how he got it rigged up? Again, you should read this book. All right, these are the folks right here. I think he's still doing classes in LA. I think Steve should go out there and check it out. Also, tomorrow, wait, that's Lane G. I got mixed up. Hey, I'm old. Okay, check out these people. Tomorrow morning, Corsair Trainer is going to have a live stream. Go check it out. Say hello to Corsair. Say I'll send you over there. And we have Wayne G, the Ungrateful Peasant. Now I'm kicking back. I'm doing these really quick because I am tired as hell. I'm getting over. I also kicked up. I lost 4 pounds because I gained weight on a diet. My doctor says not to do liquid diets because I have internal injuries still. So I have to be very careful. And I hate eating a vegan diet. All right? Urban Homestead. Okay, by these people right here. Very good. And I tell a lot of people, if you want to do homesteading, learning about plants like daikon, I know Sarah knows about that one. And then fruit foraging or pruning, collecting rainwater, storing water. Now, if you're living in the city and you don't have one of these stashed away, I had to move mine because my grandnephew, the 17-year-old, was using my shed that I stored these in as a sex palace. So I had to move and clean up everything. And I still got holes in my damn sitting on my shed. That's why, you know, okay, what the hell is all these condoms doing here? So, anyway, I got this. I'm glad I'm not too happy, but it's really good. I do recommend this. It'll cover all these projects you could do right here. And these books are still on sale on Amazon and eBay. I do recommend this book right here for everybody who's doing self-sufficiency, homesteading, back to earth, bushcrafting. I swear to God, I'm going to go around beat people over the head with this. Reader's Digest, back to basics. Okay? A lot of you are making a lot of mistakes. Keep it simple. Know what you're doing. Ask an old person like Uncle Al, what's your problems? Okay? Now I'm going to do another video, and that one is on storing flour. There's several methods you could use. You have to be careful because there's pluses and minuses of storing flour. Okay, and that was for Becky Styles. Becky Styles. Never have a stroke and have brain damage. So this book review was for Sarah and Naomi May. Now, if you don't have a library, they have the public library if it's still open, and you can check out books and read them. Put that right there. So anyway, I'll catch you later, folks.